everybody, it's Liz out at Northernville Farms. So I figured today was about the birds and the bees. So you've seen the bees, and now I come to show you the birds. Hopefully next weekend at some point we'll be separating these guys into their 3 separate pens that they're going to be in. We're going to build those on the other side of this pen that we're going to right now. This is where my cochins are. There's a white chicken also in there that also gets out. But we use this little green fence in the middle here to separate them so that we can incorporate new birds into the flock and they can all be together so that they get used to each other before they're actually incorporated fully. So I moved this fence around. We just put it in here, and it's a small space for now, but they're still little. And it'll probably only take 3 to 4 weeks or so. But I'm going to lay this box down and put some pine shavings in it so they have a nice dry space to sleep in since they are little birds. This roost bar up here I'll probably move down a little bit lower so they can hop up if they want to roost. But they're the cochins. We have the jungle man in here so he can be safe. And our newest cochin rooster. And we have to add some more females because we only have 4 cochin hens and then the one escape artist, that little white one over there. But she's a Rucana, or the ones with the fluffy cheeks that lay the blue eggs. So eventually she'll be going into one of the other pens. We're going to build 2 pens going this way, probably about where that ladder is. Maybe a little bit closer. They're going to be 10 or 12 feet long, so we're going to go out 24 feet that way, and then we're going to move this bunny hutch over to the more shaded area under the tree over by where the car is, and we're going to build another pen right here for other birds so we can separate to have each breed lay specific colored eggs, so not exactly specific breeds. We are going to have leghorns, which are the white ones. Well, we have white leghorns. They come in a cream bar leghorn too. But we also have a blue one in there, so I can also try to make blue leghorns. Anyways, we're separating for the leghorns and the cochins. And then other than that, there's going to be a blue egg pen, a green egg pen. I got the midnight Morans and a rooster to go with them for the really, really dark chocolate eggs. So we're going to have some of those birds that'll probably be ready next year, early in the spring, because they won't be laying till the fall. So, and then we're gonna link all these pens with a small door so that in the springtime, hopefully next weekend or the weekend after, we're gonna take that fence, see this post here and that post there, we're gonna take those fence posts and we're gonna move them back into the wood line there, further back to almost where it's cleared back there. And we're going to make the fence go around all that so that they can have that trees and new grass and leaves and stuff. So that'll be our plan for a couple weeks. We're going to move the fence back to give them new space. I'm going to try and section off somewhere out here so I can reseed some of this area here so that they can have some new stuff to eat and peck and find bugs and all that good stuff. So I got to move the babies, cochins, in here now. So I moved all of the babies that were in the brooder in here. They're all kind of huddled in the corner over there. There's a couple of the older ones that were in here, still back here. They're getting used to having to share their space now that their other ones, the cochins, we moved over there. Did not go as planned. I'll show you in a second. And this guy is being a bully to everyone. He is a speckled Sussex Frizzle, pretty sure rooster. But he's been bullying everyone. So, half the brooder, probably 2/3 of the brooder, got emptied into here where they have much more space to roam. And now, I'll go show you the brooder. And it just has the chicks that were 2 or 3 weeks behind those ones in it. So now they have much more space now that all the ones that are a little bigger are out. See? There's, it's hard to count chickens. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, maybe 20 in there. But they have the 2 sides. And we have the baby cochins we moved over here, the bigger ones that were in with the ones in the pen already. So I moved the baby cochins in on this side, which was kind of a fail because, see, 3 hopped over the fence and are now on the other side. Over there in the corner, all you can see is that little fluffy butt. But they're just rolling around in the dirt, and cochins are really docile and really tame, timid birds, so I'm not super worried about them. But 3 of them hopped over, and I don't think they can hop back because I put that box in there so that they could stay dry and have a place to get out of the wind. See, they hop up there, and then they hopped right over the fence. So I've been sitting outside waiting to see if I can hear anything about any squabbling, but I haven't heard anything yet. So I think that the cochin mamas, my older birds over there, are fine with the babies. But we'll see. But the rest are being good and staying on their side. Cochins, and then those are my Polish cochins, those black ones, because we have the Polish in with the cochins.